Well guys, the day has come. The OBS Chevy, the Mamalona, the OG, it actually broke down on me. I made a video of the truck breaking down on me before, but it actually didn't break down like today. Like today it does not start. Last time my serpentine belt just it broke, it ripped off, you know, and I replaced it. Thank God I had a serpentine belt in the truck and some tools. But today I was at a drive-through at Black Rock, and you know, everything was going well, and it just shut off, and it turned on, and I was able to move a bit, but when I stepped on the gas it didn't move. So it was a little downhill, so I was able to roll off, and then it eventually stopped, and then I was blocking the entrance. I tried to push it, I moved it a bit, cars were passing by perfectly fine, and then some guy behind me was like, if I needed help, what he could do to help me. God bless that guy. So we just pushed it to the side of the road, or you know, just out of the way. So I'm on the side right now. The truck just cranks and does not start, which is giving either fuel pump issues, distributor issues, or the crankshaft position sensor. I'm gonna start with the crankshaft position sensor just because I replaced the fuel pump and the distributor like 2-3 years ago. There's no way those parts should have gone bad already. So I'm saying it's a crankshaft position sensor. Hopefully it is, because I already got written up at work. I dropped the shift. I'm cooked, guys. I literally said to myself yesterday, like in my head, like I was driving the truck and I was like, yo, this thing could take me fucking across the country, across the world with no issue. And look, I spoke too soon, guys. But maybe it's a sign. Hurry the fuck up with the 5-3 swap. Guys, I really want to do it, but 1, I'm lazy as fuck. 2, I got nowhere to do it. 3, I don't know anything about wiring, bro. The only issue that's making me not do this, the wiring harness. I want to get the Holley Terminator X Max, but that's just like fucking 2 bands. And there's some cheap ass wire harnesses, but do they really work? How the fuck do I set it up? I have no clue. So stick around, guys. We're gonna try to figure out this issue today. So like, comment, and subscribe. Rip in the chat. I'll catch you guys later. Woo-hoo, party time. First of all, there's a cop that's been waiting there. I think he thinks I'm gonna rob the fucking Taco Bell, but no, my dad's right there. Tow truck, my uncle who just came. Shout out to my uncle. Let's see if this shit even fits on the tow truck. So basically it's a little sneak peek for you guys. I did drop the truck at the front. I'm not done. I gotta drop the rear, but that video is coming in soon. Yeah, guys, I think it's the fuel pump, because when I turn the key on, you know, it doesn't buzz like a fuel pump would. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace the fuel pump and the crankshaft position sensor just to be safe. Damn. Todavía ni la regla tampoco. Bro, I'll be slagging on this truck, dude. I'm supposed to fix the door sag, but I haven't done it.
Le compramos otro.
Ni modo, ya. Straight pin. Oh my god, it got crooked. Okay, well, this video is a bit ass. Basically, I towed the truck to the shop, and my dad's just working on it. He literally just sent me to get food. When I turn the key, the fuel pump doesn't sound like it's turning on, you know, the little buzzing noise. Catch y'all later when the shit is running, hopefully. Traje 3.
Puta madre, no, no vale para pura mierda, no. Tiene la...
No, pero es que no trabajaba. No sonaba nada.
Ya no prendía para nada.
Para nada, en que le moviste el fusible. Solo ese le quitaste, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Creo que no está haciendo buen contacto. Le limpiaste. Y ahorita sí funciona. Desde que conectes el switch, funciona.
No, pero hace rato nada.
Ya cuando estaba ya tirado no se
Para
escuchaba nada. ¿sabes?
Y le
Nada.
eché ese y prende.
Prendió.
Prendió.
Va a subirlo.
Alright, fellas, that's a little update on the OBS. It was a fuel pump. At first, we didn't want to start when they installed a new pump, but then we didn't realize that the hoses were pinched, so there was no fuel flowing in through the hoses. But then after we noticed they were pinched, they started right up because we adjusted the hoses. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later.